Types of computer. Computers can be classified in 6 categories. Supercomputers. Mainframe computers. Mini-computers. Microcomputers. Laptop computers. Embedded computers. Supercomputers. Supercomputers are the fastest and the most expensive computers. These huge computers are used to solve very complex science and engineering problems. Supercomputers get their processing power by taking advantage of parallel processing. They use lots of CPUs at the same time on one problem. A typical supercomputer can do up to 10 trillion individual calculations every second. Example of supercomputers: K computer, Columbia, Jaguar. Mainframe computer. Mainframe computers are computers used primarily by large organizations for critical applications, bulk data processing such as census, industry and consumer statistics, enterprise resource planning and transaction processing. The term originally referred to the large cabinets called mainframes that housed the central processing unit and main memory of early computers. Later, the term was used to distinguish high-end commercial machines from less powerful units. In the late 1950s, most mainframes had no explicitly interactive interface. They accepted sets of punched cards, paper tape, or magnetic tape to transfer data and programs. They operated in batch mode to support back-office functions, such as customer billing, and supported interactive terminals, almost exclusively for applications, rather than program development. Modern mainframes can run multiple different instances of operating systems at the same time. This technique of virtual machines allows applications to run as if they were on physically distinct computers. Families of computer systems, though not always to the same degree or level of sophistication. Mini-computer. A mini-computer is a class of smaller computers that developed in the mid-1960s, and the term mini-computer came to mean a machine that lies in the middle range of the computing spectrum, in between the smallest mainframe computers and the microcomputers. The smaller computers that became possible with the use of transistors and core memory technologies, minimal instruction sets and less expensive peripherals, such as the ubiquitous teletype Model 33 ASR. They usually took up one or a few 19-inch rack cabinets, compared with the large mainframes that could fill a room. The term mini-computer is little used today. The contemporary term for this class of system is mid-range computer, such as the higher-end Spark, Power architecture and Itanium-based systems from Oracle, IBM and Hewlett-Packard. Many computers are smaller, cheaper, and less processing and can processing large amount of data. Fewer user can work with mini computer at any instant. A microcomputer is a small, relatively inexpensive computer. It includes monitors, keyboards, and other devices for input and output may be integrated or separate. Computer memory in the form of RAM and at least one other less volatile memory storage device are usually combined with the CPU on a system bus in one unit. Other devices that make up a complete microcomputer system include batteries, a power supply unit, a keyboard, and various input-output devices used to convey information to and from a human operator, printers, monitors. Microcomputers became popular in the 1970s and 80s with the advent of increasingly powerful microprocessors. These are used by business organizations and schools. Microcomputers are designed to serve only one user at a time and are also known as desktop computers.
Created using Powtoon.